Hi guys, Archie Luxury channel. We're doing a live unboxing. I'm doing an unboxing of my Breguet 7057. Now I did a Christmas unboxing, but I've decided to make another one because I can. We've got two other Breguets I've unboxed in the series. We had the Type 21 in rose gold. We had the 7147 in rose gold. And now we're going to unbox the 7057. And have a look here. This is the sales brochure to Breguet's. And there's my Montegrappa pen. Did you know Montegrappa? They've actually made pens for Breguet. There's a Breguet edition. Okay, so this is the 7057. Have a look here, guys. Just like the 7147, it has the little blue string. I'd like to use that string for my mistress's underwear. We've got the books here. We've got an instruction book on 7057. We have the Australian warranty details. We have a list of boutiques. And then we have the paperwork. Now, I like the way the paperwork is the big chunky book. So have a look here. It makes it a bit of a bitch to put in the safe, but it doesn't matter. And this watch here was sold 2015. Hourglass Sydney. Yes, Hourglass Sydney 7057. There you go. Look at that there. It's beautifully done. Let's put this back in the box. Put this back in the box. And let's take a look. So this is the coffin type box. Now Breguet themselves, they use the cube box. I notice TGV, when he picked up his 7057, he got the cube box, which I thought they'd save that box for deployant buckle versions of watches, and they use the coffin box. But apparently they sometimes use the cube box. I'll have to check that out with Breguet. But let's have a look here. Breguet coffin with Breguet embossed on the box. And now we're going to open this baby up. Fuck. Look at this. This is a Breguet 7057. Look at this, fuckers. Does it get better? Breguet. So let's have a look here. What have we got? We've got the beautiful Breguet logo embossed. And we've got a most delightful 7057. Now, this watch here is a manual wind. It's mechanical. The automatic can be mechanical too. Manual wind, you wind up the bastard. So this is the 7057, and it's absolutely stunning. Have a look at this. 40 mil. The 7057 was originally released as a 7027, which was 37 mil. They then brought this to a bigger size, 40 mil, made it a 7057. And since that time, they've released an automatic version. 7097, I think it is. And a few different variations. But this is, I think, the true to form. If you want to have an exposed type movement, showcasing watchmaking from the past, I think it's best to go for a manual wind. And I saved an automatic for my 7147, which is the enamel dial. So there we go, guys. Have a look there. This is the 7057. I'll just take this little baby out, and let's take a sticky beak at this watch here. Absolutely stunning. As we turn the case, we can see coin edging. Fuck, just beautiful. Even on the sides between the lugs, coin edging. And we flip it to the back, and what have we got? It's just superb. It's superb. Take a look at the attention to detail on this watch. Interestingly enough, the 7057 has two power reserves. It's got a power reserve here on the back, and it's got a power reserve on the dial right next to the time display. 7057. This is in rose gold. I think they do a few variations. They do it in rose gold. They do it in white gold. They do it with this is the white inside. They do it with the gold colored inside. Look, there's 4 versions. I think they're all beautiful. Obviously, I think mine is better than TGV's. TGV, you know, he's not a aristocracy, working class peasant, Italian stock with a little bit of nasty upper middle class fucking nastiness. So I got to be honest with you. I think I would have gone for rose gold, but hey, it's his money. He can buy what he wants. I know what I want. I bought what was available secondhand because I don't pay fucking retail, especially with a Breguet. And the beautiful thing is that I get to own 3 of the bastards where he's only got 1. Fuck you, TGV. Absolutely love this watch. Look at it, just fucking superb. It is amazing. This is Breguet. This is watchmaking. This is what it is all about. This is it, fuckface. This is it. So there you go, guys. My Breguet 7057. Guys, please check out the Archie Luxury live stream channel. I'm just trying to put this back in the box one-handed. Fuck, it's hard. Check out the Archie Luxury live stream channel. I stream twice a day, morning and night. And I would love to have you come on and have a check. Check it out. It's all fun, games, and laughs. It's all happening on the streams. We do the streams. We do them for the punters. So check it out. The other channels I run, I've got the Paul Pluta channel, which the Paul Pluta channel is my watch review channel. That's right, I do watch reviews. So, guys, check them out. And, guys, I will see you in the next one. Look at this. This is the three Breguets. 3 Breguets, fuckers. Stick that up your ass, Tristano. Stick that up your fucking ass. I'm Archie Luxury. Tell me what you miserable, lousy fuckers think of that. See you later.